Okay, Holden Commodore with a P1632 Immobiliser fault code. This is what we're looking at here. So this is for the VZ, the VY models. This key here, you'll get a very similar fault in the VS, VT, VX, but the key's slightly different. I think it's only got one screw in it. Okay, so what we're looking for here is this little metal knob here. So if the key has one of these and it's got the two metal tabs that it needs to connect with on the ignition, what you'll find is if you give this blade of the key here a little wiggle, you'll find it's a little bit loose. Okay, so all you need to do is actually tighten the screws. This is a super common issue. So what happens for the immobilizer is as this little knob here connects with those tabs around the ignition, it needs to complete a circuit going through here, and then it comes out the blade, so it actually earths through this blade. And if these screws are a bit loose, it momentarily disconnects that earth, so it doesn't connect properly, and you get this intermittent fault with the immobilizer, and it will trigger a P1632 immobiliser fault code. So if you have a Holden Commodore and you're getting an immobiliser fault or that code P1632, very first thing to do is come and check this key. Very common issue, just tighten these screws up.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYs at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.